don't turn. When you can't do it anymore with a 4-foot bar, it's tight enough. Like this.
What are you doing?
Bolting the rails together.
Oh, okay.
He did the easy part. He wanted to pass the hard part away.
Oh, I see.
Unfortunately, we're only doing it. You want to take a break? Let him take some? I'm good. Break off. You do that? Okay. Wow, you relinquished to him and not to him? All right. Did you finish it? Oh, you finished it.
All right, Steve, all I have, can you talk and work at the same time?
Sure.
All right, let's come up this way a little bit. Hold on.
Oh, go down there.
And rolling.
Hold on. I'm going to face the same way. Hold on. Everybody facing forward. Which way we're facing? That way. All right, so what?
Time's up.
What are we doing?
Oh,
Okay.
we're just raising the rail to line up the holes for the joint bars.
Good. All right, it may be too much. Can you
lower it a little bit.
Can you lower it a little bit or no? It's incremental.
I'd have to drop it.
All right, drop it.
Watch your fingers.
Go ahead.
All right, going down. Wait.
Hang on.
All right, I'm gonna go back up again.
No, hang on 1 second. Yeah, we'll be able to. Go ahead.
Okay, here we go.
Get what I want to get.
Just to hold it,
Yeah.
you know.
Got it. Hold it.
Okay, you let me know exactly where you want it. I'll stop.
A little bit more.
A little more up. Okay.
Maybe another click.
Not even half. Maybe half. That's good.
Hold it right there.
Yeah, right there, right there.
Hold this. I got like where it is, and then they can put the bolts in. Okay. And once the bolts are all set.
That's twice.
How's that finger?
Dude, stop hurting my knees. Here goes my social life. Yeah, get the pants tonight.
Keep it clean.
If you're a Richard volunteer,
Sorry.
you're actually covered under work.
What?
Let's say I drop a saw on my foot and it chops it off, I'm covered under workers' comp. Yeah.
Double sided.
Alright, so then that should be the same with us.
Yeah, but I think it's all of it.
Everybody's insured. What's your, yeah, I know. I got my
Let's
shit
say,
on.
at the end, I stick my fingers. Well,
What kind
there
of,
it's a little different because they
Which way though?
try to
Kitty go bite.
you this.
Your kitty go bye bye.
Suck it together.
How do you learn how to do all this stuff?
Watching track guys. Watching real world guys, having track guys teach us. And a lot of this we also learn from taking it apart.
Oh,
I got you.
makes sense.
And there's videos on YouTube.
Your finger goes bye bye.
Track work for dummies.
Yeah, track work 101. Track sales.
Because if you're doing this, you're a dummy.
Well, last week we were dumbing in 30-degree waves or in the snow.
Yeah, but I couldn't believe how much we got done.
Yeah, it was
Wait, are you 30 degrees
Really good.
last weekend? Something like a negative 21.
You want a hand, George?
So this is just putting the two rails together.
that's part of
Taking two rails end to end and joining them together.
It's putting two rails together so that 1,000,000 pounds can go over it without any failure. Right? That's what the big boy is, 1,000,000 pounds. We don't have one of those, but. Locomotive 35's a half a million, right?
119 tons.
119 tons.
So, I'm trying to.
2,000 pounds per ton.
So about 238,000 pounds.
over a $250,000.
Yeah. But there's steam locomotives way bigger than that.
Oh yeah.
Well, what is it? The
Watch.
Probably yeah. Good. Yep. You gotta do that side then.
Skip one.
This one here.
Pretty,
That one
we did it
outside
once.
first. The outside first. Yeah. Ready?
Whichever one you want to do.
Ready?
No, Steve. That's Lindenhurst.
Well, it's slipping off. Slipping off. Yeah, I see that.
That's fine.
Yeah, that's right.
Oh, let me come this way. Sorry, Jeremy.
That's okay.
Did I?
There we go.
Think you got it?
Down.
Wow.